Hello everyone, I am Lalit Madan, an engineering graduate, right now pursuing my postgraduate diploma in industrial management from one of the premier institute of India, that is National Institute of Industrial Engineering. I have done my schooling and graduation from Delhi, which is known to have a diverse culture from all over India. It helped me to develop myself as an individual who is comfortable and gel with the different culture very easily. I have work experience of just 4 months in BPO, that is in a customer service domain. Although time frame is very less, that is 4 months, but it helped me a lot in improving my communication and convincing skills. Patience is the one of the key for success. While dealing with the irate customer, I realized the same. Rotating shifts made me very flexible in all situations. It also taught me how to work under time constraints. I have also got so many appreciation during my training in BPO because I was the topper of my batch. Leadership and coordination are some qualities which a manager should have in him. I developed them during my college days. I was the class representative where I have learned leadership, coordination and negotiation skills while coordinating between class and the faculty. I was also the sports secretary of the college, hence managed and organized different sports events during my 4 years of college education. There I learned importance of conveying message properly and problem solving. I have also learned how important it is for a leader to align its human resources to perform well in a task. I am also a team player as I had also participated in many sports events and I was a consistent member of the technical society of my college. Thereby I facilitated many technical events in my college technical annual fest. I have done my 2 internships, one is in the Tata Communication Limited and other is in Siemens India Limited. During my first internship, I was first time exposed to the working environment of a corporate world. I learned how systematically things work in a corporate and I also learned pressure handling during my project time. In NITI, I am equipping myself with business ethics and important optimization of resources available and marketing concepts and the basic principles of organization management. I learned a manager should be like a magnet which should align his internal forces so that he can work to his potential. One thing I learned in NITI which is a lifetime learning for me is problems are never difficult. Problems are always easy. It's just a solution which could be easy or difficult, but with a systematic approach and a mix of innovation, one can take out the complexity of an approach and can really make it look simple. Thank you.